Welcome to the NorthOps Fire Weather webcast for Friday, September 4th, 2020. This morning's water vapor loop shows a strong upper-level ridge over the western U.S. with an upper-level low well offshore. In between these features, dry, unstable southerly flow aloft is influencing NorthOps. The visible satellite loop shows marine stratus along the coast extending inland into coastal valleys up to 1,500 to 2,000 feet. Dense smoke is evident in valleys near fires, with a broader area of smoke spread across much of NorthOps. The 500 millibar forecast for this afternoon shows a strong upper-level ridge over the western U.S. extending east into California. For Saturday, the upper-level ridge continues to strengthen and builds further to the west, bringing much warmer temperatures to the area. For Sunday afternoon, the strong upper-level ridge remains centered over the area with very hot and dry conditions continuing. On Monday afternoon, a dry cold front associated with an upper-level trough in the northern Rockies will approach from the north. As the upper trough continues to dig south Monday night through Tuesday, the general flow pattern over NorthOps will turn more easterly with very dry and locally windy conditions developing. Taking a look at the surface forecast graphics for this morning, winds over the area are generally light. While relative humidities under the pronounced marine layer along the coast recovered to near 100%, the air above the marine layer is quite dry. Single-digit relative humidities were reported in a few locations along the central coastal mountains this morning, with others in the teens. Breezy northwest to west-southwest sea and coastal gap winds are expected this afternoon. Breezy southwest winds along the eastern mountains and in northeast California will combine with very low relative humidities in the low teens to upper single digits this afternoon and evening. Poor to very poor relative humidity recoveries along mid-slopes and ridges will become increasingly widespread tonight through Saturday morning. The marine layer will become increasingly suppressed on Saturday, with hot afternoon temperatures ranging 10 to 20 degrees above normal in all locations away from the immediate coast, and widespread very low relative afternoon RHs. Coastal winds will be lighter Saturday afternoon, with breezy southwest winds returning again in northeast California. Sunday morning shows a slight increase in north to northeast offshore winds, with continued dry conditions. Winds overall will be lighter Sunday afternoon with very hot and dry conditions continuing. North to northwesterly winds will begin increasing Monday afternoon as a dry cold front approaches the area. Winds in northeast California will increase and turn more northeasterly Monday evening through Monday night. By Tuesday morning, northeast winds will extend down the Cascade and northern Sierra Mountains, channeling through the gaps and passes in the west slopes and foothills. Northerly winds will begin to develop in the Sacramento Valley as well. This offshore flow will spread further west and south through the day on Tuesday, although eastern and northern areas remain favored for the stronger winds. Northeast winds will continue along the eastern mountains Tuesday night and then diminish Wednesday. Taking a look at the NorthOps 7-day significant fire potential outlook, very dry fuels with ERCs generally between the 90th and 97th percentile and in some cases approaching record levels will keep all areas in at least the moderate risk category for the next week. Breezy conditions in northeast California combined with very low relative humidities will bring high-risk conditions to that area for today and Saturday. For Monday, increasing north to northwest winds in the afternoon due to an approaching dry cold front, then winds turning northeast overnight will bring high-risk conditions to northeast California and the far east side PSAs. On Tuesday, the potential for high-risk conditions due to the northeast offshore winds becomes more widespread, although confidence in the finer scale details of the event does decrease somewhat during this time period. Northeast winds will continue in some locations Tuesday night through Wednesday morning, then decrease Wednesday afternoon. The SouthOps 7-day outlook shows dry fuel conditions as well, with a high risk for windy conditions along the western mountains PSA on Monday. Windy high-risk conditions become more widespread on Wednesday, impacting the south coast and western, eastern, and southern mountain PSAs. And now to sum up the fire weather highlights for NorthOps. Strong upper-level ridging will bring a rapid warming trend to the area, with very low afternoon relative humidities and poor to very poor nighttime humidity recoveries. Breezy southwest winds and very low relative humidities are expected in northeast California this afternoon and evening, and then again on Saturday afternoon and evening. A dry cold front approaching the area from the north Monday afternoon, and offshore northeasterly flow developing Monday night through Tuesday will bring critical fire weather concerns to a variety of areas through Wednesday morning.